You know, like, life is not too, life is simple, right? Especially relationship, male and female dynamics is simple, especially because of the fact that there was a time before money and stuff like that, and society and technology, where we were living primitive, and guys, you know, they were capable. Obviously, they would get shelter, like a cave or something, food, because they'll kill an animal and hunt and whatnot, gather some nourishment, and then they will put the food into the cave, right? And they will protect the cave from other guys, from other people, like females, even animals. They will have to protect the food from other things that want food. So he has to protect his shelter, he has to protect his food, which are his resources. But then an attractive lady comes in. She wants to be in the cave, she wants food, and it's hard for her to do that herself. Like, she could find a cave, but if she has to fight animals and guys, maybe even other females, and the other females might just be bigger than them, so that they have the size advantage. It'd be hard for her to have shelter when she's getting her ass kicked, right? It'd be hard for her to protect food, to keep food, and in general, it'd be hard for her to collect food. Are there females who could do it because they're genetically in many ways similar to a guy, so they're big and strong and blah blah blah, like Amazoness chicks? Yes, there are those anomalies. I pronounced it wrong. But you get the point. There are those exceptions. So, but for the average female, yeah, you're gonna need a guy. So the symbiotic relationship. The guy provides you those resources. What do you provide in return? Right? Because all about equality, right? All about give and take. You give them what your mama gave you. Obviously your body. You provide services, right? Yeah, you help them cook the meals, right? You help him cook the animals that he kills. He kills, you cook. That's the symbiotic relationship. He does something, you do something, right? He lifts heavy things, you lift smaller things, or you just carry stuff that he doesn't have space to carry, right? So you help him in that regards. Of course, reproducing, right? Keeping a legacy. Right? You want to pass down the cave and the tools and whatever you create, right? And that's the other thing. Females, right, give guys what your mama gave you, and services, right? You give services to the guy, and the guy gives you man-made shit. So you give him what your mama gave you. He gives you what men make, right? What men give you. So he'll give you, food, house, cars, money. Because remember, money's man-made. Houses are man-made. Society's man-made. Cars are man-made. Smartphones are man-made. Internet's man-made. And the list goes on and on of things that's man-made that we make and give to you. So all we ask in return is for you to give us what your mama gave you, right? What nature gave you, Mother Nature, whatever you want to call it, right? Gave you. Have skills, have usefulness, be able to do things to us, for us, that otherwise we wouldn't be able to do, or it would just take too much time to do. Think about, we already gotta go do stuff like, gather resources. The least you can do is make sure no one comes into the house and robs it, right? Make sure the alarm is on. Make sure you have access to our weapons closet, and the list goes on, right? Make sure you have a phone on you, that kind of stuff. And the list goes on. And of course, protect the castle while the king's out, right? Doing his thing. Gotta keep the queen safe in the castle. So he has to provide that. And the list goes on. And that's the normal male and female dynamic that we're clearly lacking in society. Just pointing that out.